C'est correct. Okay, you guys ready? Brand new, never driven before. So hopefully it doesn't burn the motor. It hasn't got a break in. Okay, racers ready? To my class. On go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my god, il fait l'absor.
That's a second lap.
No.
This is the final lap.
Oh my god. Too bad.
That's it. The bus wins the first one. Okay, racers ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my god.
That's a curb. That's a curb. Oh. And the bus takes a lead over the Trans Am. What the heck is rubbing?
Oh, right time. Drift encore?
Non, non, les tires sont trop bons pour ça, Sébastien, pour drifter ceux-là. And plus, it doesn't have good shocks. It's just friction shocks. You're racing. Ah, can you just keep going? The bus lost its body magnets.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, so the bus wins too.
On go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, you guys ready? On your mark, get set, go!
The blue one won the first race. Now the second race. And the blue one wins it.
Okay, racers ready? On go. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow, wow, ouais, arrête, arrête. Okay, go. So I guess magnets for racing is not a good thing. Last lap. I don't know if you got to blame the builder or something, but he lost a dry shaft, so I got to fix that real quick. Okay, this is for the championship, TTO1 versus TTO2. Sébastien, Marcel. Okay, racers ready?
Yep.
On go. 1, 2, 3, go! Got stuck in that dirt. Wow, look at the speed of the other one compared to the TTO1. Whoa! Keep going. What do you mean you can't? Okay. Okay, on your mark, second race. Get set, go! TTO1 versus...
What's the difference in the 1 and 2?
The one is way slower, I just noticed. TTO1, that's the very first one Tamaya did. TTO2 is the second one. Oh. But on the straightaway, the TTO2 is way faster. But seems like the TTO1 is better for control.
Because it's going slower.
Yeah. But because we got a very long straightaway, the TTO1 does not have advantage here.
Are those kits stuff you built, or is that
Yeah.
buying that right here?
No, you buy the kits. They're about 160, 180 bucks.
It's significantly cheaper than if I own for.
And they come with, oh yeah, they come with the motor and the ESC, most of them.
No servo or.
No servo. You gotta put the servo and the transmitter receiver. That was close. Marcel wins it. Third lap, John already won one. Third and final lap. That's it. John won 2. So now Seb goes to loser's bracket and comes back in. So now you got to race again. Yeah, they both won against each other. Okay, racers ready? On go. 1, 2, 3, go. Last lap. John won the first one. Best out of 3. John is 1 up. Do or die situation for Seb. Can he handle the pressure? We don't know. Okay, on go. 1, 2, 3, go. You like that cone, John? Last lap. John's a winner.